How to fix household problem on Netflix app. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started with this video. To fix this issue, you have to follow all the steps on this video. Firstly, navigate and open the settings on your device. Scroll down, tap on apps, select app management from this app page. Now once every application loads on this app management section, tap search bar at top of the screen, type in Netflix and you will get the app info section of Netflix where you have to tap storage uses and then clear cache. You can either clear data if you wish to. Here tap battery uses and tap on force stop to force stop the Netflix applications. Once you do that, you need to move ahead to Play Store. Once Play Store opens, tap on the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. If you are on App Store, you can easily open App Store as well. Tap on search bar at top and then you have to find in the Netflix updated version or the updates if there is any. You can tap on the update button if you see update button on the Netflix, and once the update has been completed, you can easily fix household problem on Netflix application issue. But if doing so also did not persist your issue, then you can easily check your internet connection, ensure that you have the stable internet connection. If not, you can switch between mobile data as well. Further, you can also tap on airplane mode to turn on airplane mode for a while, and later you can easily switch it back off. And once you do that, lastly, you can easily restart the device because on your device itself, there might be some kind of issues. You can slide towards restart button and restart your device and fix household problem on Netflix app. That's it for today. If this video helped for you, then hit the like button. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe for more tech and tips videos.